Good morning and welcome to my channel. As you probably know, today I'm going to Wales. I'm all packed, as you can see. My little donkey is ready to go. All it's left is fill some fuel and I'm gonna go. It's about a 4 hours ride. It's like for 250 miles, I think, and which is about 350 kilometers. Like I said, it should take about 4 hours. I'm not rushing anywhere. I'm gonna make a stop along the way and I'm gonna update you guys how it's going. And yeah, so I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Quick update. I'm about 80 miles away from my destination. I just stopped for fuel and stretch my legs. Everything's going well. HSM 25 as usual. It's been packed with traffic for miles. There was some accident on the other side and everyone had just been slowing down and looking at the accident. So yeah, so next stop, it's the destination, so I see you there. So here we are. I couldn't ask for better weather and place. It's just amazing. It's quiet. Look, there is almost nobody around me. Just me. Look at this. No people at all. I made some videos on the way here. It's gonna be some nice. It's gonna be nice once I edit it. Well, I couldn't be happier. Finally, I came to Wales, and yeah, I'm gonna start pitching my tent. So. Everything is done. Tent is done. Sleeping bag is done. Bike is parked. Grill is set. Today I'm planning to just relax because you don't know, guys, but yeah, I'm working night shift, so I came back from the night shift at 6 o'clock in the morning, and I left at, I think it was 8 o'clock. So yeah, I wasn't sleeping since yesterday, so today I'm not planning anything major. Just probably maybe a little barbecue and have a couple beers. And yeah, and relax. That's why I came here for, you know, to have a rest and, you know, and relax far away from busy life and a big city and a concrete jungle, some say. So yeah. Let me give you a little tour of my home for the next 4 nights, and yeah, let's. Some of these items it came from Amazon. I'm not gonna be hiding. Why? Because it's just no point paying some, you know, ridiculous amount of money for a brand you don't even know. Which in my case, you know, I'm experiencing everything. So yeah, like I said, this is my home for the next 4 nights. This is how it looks inside. It's a really good tent. It survived so much in a Lake District last year. This is how it looks like. Plenty of space. This is like a 3-person tent. I mean, really probably more likely 2 people, not 3, but yeah. So yeah, that's how it looks like. So yeah, like I said, now I'm gonna light up the barbecue. I'm gonna make myself some food, and I'm probably gonna go sleep early because I'm really tired. I haven't slept for over 24 hours, so I think I'm not gonna have a problem with falling asleep. So yeah, tomorrow I hope that I'm gonna go for a hike for one of the tallest mountains in this area. How it's called, I'm not gonna even try to pronounce it because it's it's beyond what I'm capable of. So yeah, I'm gonna keep you updated, and we'll see if I'm gonna come up with something today. I'm gonna let you know. So see you tomorrow for now, and I hope this hike is gonna happen because weather is great and I'm really motivated to go and conquer some fucking mountain. And yeah, so we'll see how it's gonna go. I hope I'm gonna be able to do it. So yeah, take care, and see you tomorrow.